Hello, welcome to CLC Cosmetics. My name is Amanda. Today I'm going to show you how to make soap using tomatoes and bergamot essential oils. Tomatoes help reduce and clear acne due to its acidity. And bergamot oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It's used for spot treatment and acne in people who do not have sensitive skin. For this recipe, we'll be using our olive oil soap base SLS free. Wow, I can't believe it. You can put, tomato, which has a good amount of liquid, into this soap, and it works. It doesn't fall apart or become jelly. It still keeps its shape. It's nice and firm. So here we go. This is our tomato soap. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a try. Let us know in the comments how it goes. I did something that is kind of thick. As you can see, the tomato bits are still there, but some people might blend it completely. So give it a try. Let us know how you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on the next video.